folks, this is Rob at Uftering Subaru. This video is going to show you how to operate your headlights and your wipers on your 2018 Crosstrek. You'll notice that your headlights are controlled on the left stalk on the steering column. On the farthest down position, the lights are off. You'll rotate the end of the stalk one position up for your amber parking lights, and then finally to the top position to turn on your headlights. Your brights are controlled by simply pulling the stalk towards you. That will flash the brights, and then pushing the stalk away will lock the brights in the on position. The wiper stalk, located on the right-hand side, has one push up for a quick wipe. Next, you can push the stalk one click down and then operate your variable speed. Next, you can push it down again for low speed and one more time for high speed. The second ring on the end of the stalk operates your rear wiper. You'll notice it has a position here for the off. One click down will do a quick wipe and wash of the rear window. One click up will be your variable speed. And then finally, the top position is continuously on. The wiper fluid is activated by simply pulling the stalk towards you.